Alright guys, this is it's a cool clutch, but unfortunately it's a very small clutch. There's only like 12 eggs here. But it was a platinum tiger het titanium to a platinum tiger het titanium, so there's just a ton of different snakes that can be in this clutch. What we're looking for is some form of the titanium gene and the platinum gene doubled. So an ivory titanium, an ivory tiger titanium, or an ivory super tiger titanium. This one pipped, so we cut it, and it is a leucistic. So what that means, no clue. So let's see what's in the rest of them, and we'll see what happens. And it looks like another leucistic. Actually, this looks like an ivory. Where's your head, little guy? No, it's another leucistic. Interesting. So it's possible, never know, that the titanium ivory would appear to be a leucistic, but obviously we're a long way from that. And there's a really nice titanium. Maybe even a platinum. No, might be a platinum titanium. So that's kind of cool to see an all-white snake and a titanium in the same clutch. What do we have here? Another leucistic. I'm going to try to get his head out so he's breathing. Reaching in the eggs like this. There you go. And that's another leucistic. 3 leucistics out of 4 eggs. And this is just a platinum to platinum breeding, so even those odds should be low. That's a normal het titanium, or actually, since this is a het titanium to het titanium, that truly could just be a normal. And another leucistic. Wow. Okay. So more and more that we look at this, I'm thinking that something going on there. 4 leucistics. With a big clutch, we shouldn't have had that many. And another leucistic. Wow. This clutch did not do well. So these babies are a tad bit weak, but very interesting. 5 Lucies. Strange. And another normal. What do you bet they're all female? That's what I'm starting to think. Well, there's a super tiger, which would make sense. No tigers, a super tiger, and a normal, and a normal, and a normal, and a super form of the ivory, yes. Looking like a Partho clutch, guys.
Yeah.
And I would be very surprised if there's a male in this clutch. Look, another super tiger. So if I'm right, all we'll see is titaniums and super tigers and Lucies. And that is all we should see. Another titanium. Another Lucy. And that is definitely what we're seeing. You know, one thing we did prove with this is that, and then one more Lucy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 leucistics. That's interesting. But no ivory titaniums. So, yay for Partho clutches. Take care, guys.